Hey, buds, hey, I got crumbs. I got crumbs here, tasty crumbs. Yeah, come get them. I love coming here to unwind and relax, 8 hours stuck in those snack machines is stressful work. It's the one that can make it through the whole day without breaking something in half. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes. Jamison! Dude, you're ruining my comedy, little troll. This is my private nature therapy session. You can't just... Jamison! You put him down, Jamison! That's not part of his job description. You're gonna get him in trouble with the pigeon union or something. Jamison? Jamison! No, Jamison! My blood pressure, Jamison! You have no idea about what's going... Jamison! Jamison, I can spit on you, Jamison! You're well within range! Are you Jamison? Guess your little nose wipe couldn't handle it. Jamison!